believe it? They just stopped. They were all wrestling right here. Brutus would lay on him. Uh-oh. Can you believe how much snow there is? Like I said, Brutus just sort of lays on him. Molly waits for the opportunity. But they're pals. And that means I don't have to go out in the woods with them in this crap. We've had, I don't know, at least 5 feet of snow so far. Don't have to worry about the dogs running off much. They can't get anywhere. Neither one of these two seems to mind rolling around in the snow. Uh-oh. It's a standoff. Oh, and then it starts. You chase me, and then I'll chase you. And I have to put up with this. Oh, dang. Uh-oh. Molly went for the opportune moment. And we're off again. Okay. Brutus bowls him over, lays on top of him, and then Molly checks him out. Over and over. Brutus just lays on top of him. I don't know why he does that. And then the fight's on again. And then Tucker comes back for more. Oh, well. Oh, don't run from Brutus. He's too fast. Especially in this crap. Come on, you guys. Get over here. Anyway, that's enough. It's cold. See ya.